Welcome to PowerPoint for Future. I have made a beautiful business presentation for you. Let me show you the presentation. Here you can easily customize the presentation. This is just amazing. This presentation is just beautiful. Let me show you how you customize the presentation. Let me go your first slide. You can easily insert your logo and you can easily change the text. Let me change this text. I can easily change the text from here, or I can easily change the image. Let me click on this image, click on right button, go to change picture, go to this device. I can easily insert any image from my computer. Let me insert this image. As soon as I click on insert, the image is inserted. So here I can easily modify the presentation and I can easily use this one. So if you want to download the presentation, please check out the description, and the password will be 12345. I say again, the password will be 12345. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.